1. A 32-year-old woman is planning international travel and receives a killed typhoid vaccine. VI polysaccharide, IM. What type of immune response is most expected from this vaccine? A. Robust cell-mediated cytotoxic response. B. Strong mucosal IgA response. C. Long-lasting CD8 plus T-cell memory. D. Primarily humoral antibody-mediated response. E. Autoimmune antibody production. Correct answer, D. Primarily humoral antibody-mediated response. Killed inactivated vaccines cannot replicate and thus do not enter host cells, so they do not activate CD8 plus T cells, but they do stimulate B cells to produce antibodies. Incorrect options. A. Cell-mediated CD8 plus requires intracellular antigen presentation, live vaccines. B. Mucosal IgA response is stronger with oral intranasal vaccines. C. Killed vaccines don't produce strong CD8 plus memory. E. No autoimmune response is expected. Question 2. Which of the following vaccines is killed inactivated and administered intramuscularly? A. MMR. B. Varicella. C. Oral polio Sabin. D. Rabies. E. Rotavirus. D. Rabies. Rabies vaccine is an inactivated virus vaccine administered intramuscularly and is part of the post-exposure protocol. Incorrect options. A. MMR, live attenuated. B. Varicella, live attenuated. C. Oral polio Sabin, live attenuated oral vaccine. E. Rotavirus, live attenuated oral vaccine. Question 3. A patient receives the inactivated influenza vaccine every year. What is a disadvantage of this type of vaccine? A. High risk of vaccine-induced infection. B. Risk of reversion to virulent strain. C. Inability to stimulate an immune response. D. Poor T-cell response requiring annual boosters. E. Significant risk of mucosal ulceration. Correct answer? D. Poor T-cell response requiring annual boosters. Inactivated vaccines stimulate humoral immunity only, so cell-mediated memory is weak. Frequent updates boosters are needed due to antigenic drift. Incorrect options. A. Killed vaccines can't replicate, no infection risk. B. Reversion risk is for live attenuated, not killed. C. They stimulate a response, but it's less robust. E. Ulceration is not a known complication. Question 4. Which of the following vaccines is an example of an inactivated vaccine? A. BCG for tuberculosis. B. Oral rotavirus vaccine. C. Sabin polio vaccine. D. Salk polio vaccine. E. MMR vaccine. Correct answer, D. Salk polio vaccine. The Salk vaccine is the inactivated killed polio vaccine given intramuscularly and safer in immunocompromised patients. Incorrect options. A. BCG, live attenuated. B. Rotavirus, live oral vaccine. C. Sabin, live oral polio vaccine. E. MMR, live attenuated combination. Would you